There are many products available to choose gaming mouse, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gaming mouse from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Logitech G502 Hero High Performance Wired Gaming Mouse. Hero 25K Sensor, 25,600 dpi, RGB, adjustable weights, 11 programmable buttons, onboard memory, PC Mac. Hero 25K Sensor for a software update from GIQVW. This upgrade is free to all players. Our most advanced, with 1:1 tracking, 400 plus IPS, and 125,600 max pi sensitivity, plus 0 smoothing, filtering, or acceleration, 11 customizable buttons and onboard memory. Assign custom commands to the buttons and save up to 5 ready-to-play profiles directly to the mouse. Adjustable weight system. Arrange up to 5 removable 3.6 grams weights inside the mouse for personalized weight and balance tuning. Number 2. Razer DTheater V3 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. 63 grams ultra lightweight Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, fast optical switches, Gen 3 hyperspeed wireless, 5 programmable buttons, 98H battery, black, 63 grams ultra lightweight design. Enjoy a level of speed and control favored by the world's top players with one of the lightest ergonomic experts mice ever created. Focus Pro 30K optical sensor. Flawless tracking performance on a wider variety of surfaces including glass, supported by intelligent functions for enhanced aim and control. Number 3. HyperX Pulsefire Dart Wireless RGB Gaming Mouse. Software controlled customization, 6 programmable buttons, kite charging battery up to 50 hours, PC, PS4, Xbox One compatible. Gaming grade wireless technology, long-lasting battery life, up to 50 hours, wireless kite charging compatibility. Battery life 90 hours let-off, premium Pixar 3389 sensor, ergonomic design with padded leatherette grips. Number 4. Climb-Blaze Rechargeable Wireless Gaming Mouse RGB New 2022 Plus High Precision Sensor and long-lasting battery, plus 7 customizable buttons, plus up to 6000 dpi, plus wired and wireless mouse for PC, Mac and PS4, PS5. Complete freedom to dominate the game. Enjoy the advantages of a wireless mouse and stop worrying about cables. The Climb-Blaze features excellent reaction time and responsiveness, comparable to any high-end wired computer mouse. Your movements are always perfectly tracked thanks to its precise sensor, so you can get an edge in your games. Number 5. RGB Wireless Bluetooth Gaming Mouse Ergonomic USB-C Rechargeable Optical Sensor 2.4G Lightweight Computer Mice with side buttons, 3 modes, multi-button shortcut, 5 dpi for PC, iPad, laptop, Mac, Windows 11, multi-process buttons, non-silent fire button, 1 click equals 3 clicks, can be performed in gaming, which makes the mouse more convenient and meets more demands for different games. Task window helps you switch to the recent windows quickly. 1 click to return to the desktop. Forward and back can help to improve effectively. DPI switch for different moving demands. Lighting button, 14 RGB lights can be changed. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching.